So welcome to the final thoughts, and I'm going to talk about, by doing all this stuff, you will generate more traffic, you will get more leads and sales conversions. So just take it really easy and complete each of the steps. Now, I've been showing you how to do this in Zenler, okay, which is a course creation platform. Now, if you haven't tried it, there is a link to try the unlimited free plan. Okay, this has got most of the features, not the premium features such as running lives and these sort of things, and you are limited to a certain degree on the amount of funnels and emails that you can send out, but it is a fully featured and fully functional course and marketing platform. Okay, so if you click the link, see the link, click that, you'll go through and you can sign up and you'll have a free account. There's also an email that's being sent to you as well if you subscribe to this and you opt in, and you'll have access to training. So where do we go from here? The training that you'll get access to is amazing because it gives you so many avenues. We have stuff on setting YouTube channel up, about being better on camera, about how to use a Zenler system itself. There's a community tied to it. It's a whole big world. It's a Zenler world, okay? So guys, we put all this together for you. All we ask, one thing we ask from you, we don't even ask you to sign up if you don't want to, but one thing we ask for you is if you're on any of the social platforms, that's Instagram, TikTok, you're on Spotify, you're on Facebook, you're on YouTube, you're on Twitter, if you can go on to your social sites and like us or follow us or like our posts, that is amazing. And guys, what am I doing here? I'm marketing. I'm trying to get backlinks from you because it'll help us. And this is the sort of thing that you should be doing. So even though I'm selling this to you, I'm giving you a tip as well. Okay? So hopefully you found this of massive use. Honestly, guys, you will get results if you're doing this stuff. Trust me. Just do these tips. Try and do as many as you can. Don't have to do them all, but it will definitely help you in your rankings. If you join us here at Zenler by hitting the big pink button, you will find that you have access to a ton of other free courses on our tutorial site. You'll have access to thousands of people using the platform to ask questions, even course related questions. So what are you waiting for? It's free and you can do it today. The only person stopping you becoming successful is you. No one can do it for you. It's not as hard as you think. Get stuck in. See you soon. I hope you've enjoyed this. This is from us at Zenler.